Hello, today we will answer a question about three-dimensional figures. So what are three-dimensional figures? These figures are solid and hollow. You could hold them in your hand. They have length, width, and height. They are also called solid geometric figures. And they can have surface, face, base, edge, corner, and vertex. The surface is the covered part of a three-dimensional shape, like cylinders and cones have surfaces. The face is a part of a three-dimensional figure that is flat, and the side of a three-dimensional figure. The base is the bottom face of a three-dimensional object. The edge is the line where two faces meet on a three-dimensional object. Corner is the point where three or more edges touch. One vertex is the point where three or more edges meet. So this cube has 12 vertices altogether. Types of three-dimensional figures. Cube. So the first type of the three-dimensional figure is the cube, and it has 6 square faces with the same sizes, 12 edges, 8 vertices, and 8 corners. Some faces in the cube are parallel and some faces are perpendicular. Some edges are parallel and some edges are perpendicular. Cube in a daily life is just like a box. Sphere, it's a perfectly round three-dimensional shape like a ball. It has only one curved surface. A sphere has no face, no edge, no vertex, and no corner. A sphere in daily life like a ball. Cone. The cone is a three-dimensional shape made up of a circular base, a covered surface that comes to a point at the top, this point called the vertex, and the cone has no edge and no corners. You can find it in a daily life in the ice cream cone. The cylinder is a three-dimensional shape with one curved surface and two equal circles as its base. So it has two bases, and the bases are congruent circles. A cylinder has two faces, one surface, no edges, and no corners. You can find it in a daily life and the roll of the toilet paper. Pyramid is a three-dimensional shape which has a polygon for its base and triangular faces which meet at one point in the top, which is the vertex. Rectangular prism. It's a three-dimensional shape that has six rectangular faces, Two of those faces are equals and parallel, and it has also 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some of the faces are parallel and some of the faces are perpendicular. Some of edges are parallel, some of edges are perpendicular as well. You can find it in daily life and the example of the tissue box. Thank you for watching.